Email verification failed on ProRealTime Fix. If your ProRealTime email verification isn't working, don't worry. Most people get this wrong, but the problem is often a minor issue with your email, browser or device rather than ProRealTime itself. First, double-check that your email address is entered correctly. Even a single typo, missing character or extra space can prevent the verification email from arriving. Next, check every folder in your inbox, including spam, junk promotions, and any custom folders. Automated emails from ProRealTime can be filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo. Once you find the email, click the verification link promptly because it may expire within a short time. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from ProRealTime. This usually fixes the issue immediately for most users. Sometimes the problem comes from your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, try another browser, or use the ProRealTime mobile app. Certain ad blockers or security extensions may interfere with email delivery. Some email providers block automated messages entirely. In this case, consider signing up with a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if all else fails, contact ProRealTime support. Explain the steps you've tried so far. Support can manually verify your account, letting you access ProRealTime without delays. Remember, verify your email accuracy, check all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and reach out to support if needed. Doing this usually resolves email verification issues quickly, so you can start using ProRealTime immediately.